I would like to welcome our principal, Mr. Ganesh Kore, to represent the annual report.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to everyone, respected dignitaries on the dais. Today's guest, Honorable Senior Most Trustee Sir, Mr. Lakichand Malani Sir, Honorable President, Mr. M.B. Singh Sir, teaching and non-teaching staff, our little Bloomites and dear parents. I, Mr. Ganesh Kore, Principal of Blooming Bloods High School and Presidency Junior College of Science and Commerce, take great pleasure in welcoming you all on this special occasion of annual function 2023-24 with the theme of Navras. We are honored to present to you all the annual report of our school 2023-24. Let's begin with the academic excellence. Excellence is the gradual result of always striving to do better. Teaching is only the profession that teaches all the other professions. Teachers are the reason why the ordinary students dream to do extraordinary things. We are fortunate to have our teachers, our pillars of our institution, trained, experienced, dedicated, and capable of fulfilling the demands of the tech industry, constantly evolving, and the skills that are in the demand to upgrade our students. We proudly announce our SSC toppers of 2022-23. The first topper, Sabhagani Naman Chandan, who has scored 93.00%. So please, audience, huge round of applause for him. Second SSC topper, Chaudhary Bhavna Nararam, has scored 90.80%. Please, once again. Third SSC topper, Yadav Vidhi Harish, scored 88.20%. Oh, so without any intimation, you all are aware that yes, now the clapping has to be over there. So once again, all these three toppers deserve a huge round of applause. Now, I move on to our HSC toppers of 2022-23. First, it is from the stream of commerce. The first place or the first HSC topper is Vakade Sachin Balaji, who has scored 77.50%. Second HSC topper, Chinnatambi Shivapriya, has scored 75.33%. So these both were the HSC toppers from the commerce faculty. And now I move to the science stream, that is science faculty. She is none other, scoring first place, first HSC topper from the science stream, Singh Shivani Shailendra, 72.67%. Huge round of applause. Thank you, audience. Now let's move to the DSO sports. We are proud of our students who have participated in various inter-school sports competition, district level, and have won many trophies, medal and certificates. So here, Salim Ansari, under 16, from 8th standard, competition was javelin throw, has stood second place, second prize in district level competition. Yes, huge round of applause for him. Under 14 as well as under 17 boys and girls, volleyball competition, handball competition, which was held again at the district level, they have bagged second place again in this competition. So they also deserve huge round of applause. Now again, here it is one of the good news that belongs to the state level category. Our four girls, I can say our stars, Sonam Yadav from 6th standard, Sanjana Yadav from 7th standard, Laviksha Tanwani from 9th standard, as well as Anjali Tanwani from 9th standard. They are selected in state level competition, Rugby Championship, which is held in Pune, Baliwadi, Mini Khelo India. So I think it's very proud moment for all of us to accommodate, or I can say to take a place in a state level. It's not a very small thing. So yes, again these girls deserve a huge round of applause. I think clapping should go on continuously, and at the same time I will add here one more sentence that our PT sir, Mr. Mayur and Mr. Nikhil sir, they are the hard workers, and definitely at this moment they should be also appreciated because they are only uplifting this moment. Clapping not only waits here, or I can say stops here. Dhiren Vasnani from 12th Science Junior College participated in inter-college PowerPoint presentation held at Kamla Devi College, Vithalwadi East, and he has bagged second prize over there. So again, he deserves a huge round of applause. Now let us move to the co-curricular activities. Dear parents, we every year conduct different kind of activities. From some of these are as follows. Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st of June to mark as a healthy day. Independence Day, we also celebrated Independence Day by flag hoisting with the march past and different speeches. First time in Blooming Birds High School and Presidency Junior College of Science and Commerce was, any guesses? I think on the PowerPoint presentation you can see it is nothing but Ganesh festival. We had first time celebration of Ganesh Utsav, and that was celebrated with a great devotion. Next, events celebrated, different kinds of events celebrated were Teachers Day, Raksha Bandhan, Krishna Janmashtami, Navratri, and many more. This doesn't stop here itself. It is further going like this way. Different competitions were conducted in Blooming Birds High School as well as Presidency Junior College of Science and Commerce. Pre-primary students participated